similar like ladybugs. It's still family with ladybugs.
कुछ रैंडम कर लिया है बुक, शायद मैं लेट हूँ.
This part.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh,
wanna
really?
smell it? It
Smells
stronger.
like vanilla.
But I guess it's stronger.
Is that Ganesh ji?
Yes, Ganesh.
हाय गाइस. तो लास्ट मिनट मुझे पता नहीं था क्या करना है, तो मैंने कुछ रैंडम कर लिया है बुक. आपको बताती हूँ. ये है राइस पैटीज एंड फायरलाइट डिनर इन अ विलेज इन अ गार्डन. लेट मी टेल यू मोर. मैं भी गुस्सी हूँ, शायद मैं लेट हूँ, बट लेट्स फिगर इट आउट.
Yes. Maybe here? Okay. It's without alcohol. What is it called? Cacao. Chocolate. This is the Willy Wonka. Have you tried the fresh cacao before? No? So instead the chocolate or the product you can eat that. The fruits also we can enjoy like the regular fruits like mangosteens, mango or something. So the taste it's similar with sour mango, guys. Yeah, sour mango. You know mangosteen, right? Yeah. Like you can see, it looks like mangosteen inside. Okay, so this the fruit. So what is the signal when it's wrapped? You can see the color. It's slightly yellow. So it means it's good for eating. But if the color is yellow like this or orange, it means it's good for chocolate. Yeah, because we need the seed inside. It's like very small, and it's good for eating actually. Like you suck the candy, cacao, you can bite it. You can bite the seed and you can swallow it. Can you? Let me.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Is the color. Purple part is for the chocolate. It's we dry them and you can dry them around 2 weeks. Oh, yeah. It's expensive beans.
Expensive.
Vanilla pods. Vanilla beans. So this is how the fresh vanilla. So the flowers, it looks like white orchids. Yeah. After we get the flowers, we need to help them for the pollination, and then we need to wait the flowers dry, and the stem will grow bigger to be the pods. So before the flower is here, yeah, and the stem is just like this big, and then it's grow bigger to be the pods like this. Yeah, like that. And to grow the vanilla, it's quite take time here.
Just depends on how effective you are.
Okay, so here is the place. So we're drying, yeah, the coffee. This is coffee beans, and this is the skin of the cinnamon. Yeah, that's the bark inside. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay, and that's also we have the cardamom. It looks like peanuts, but it's not peanuts. It's cardamom. That I know here we have 2 different types of cardamoms for the powder.
So it smells just about
It's,
it.
you
Oh,
wanna
really?
smell it? It
Smells
stronger.
like vanilla.
This is like our Balinese typical farm in Bali. Like what we need for family consume in Bali, grow in our farm. Yeah, like you can see a lot of veggies. We still grow with organic system, so we never use any chemicals or pesticide here. You know what kind of vegetable is that on the little mountain?
Cabbage, radish,
Pak choy.
bok choy.
Yeah. So we grow everything, and also for the vegetarian people, like this is the cinnamon tree, and I will cut a bit for you. You can smell here, or maybe if you want to take this. It's like Christmas.
Yes.
This is this part.
Yeah.
This one is not open yet. Okay, so after it's open, yeah, blossoms, we can do the pollination by hand. So inside of the flower, male and female, so we can know that from the color, like white and yellow color. So we need to make them stick together. Anyone know what kind of coffee is this? This is Robusta coffee. So here we can grow 2 type of coffee actually, yeah, Robusta and the Arabica. So the Robusta, here, the beans, it's smaller, yeah, than the Arabica, but the size of the plant is bigger, the leaf is bigger, like that, and the taste is stronger. But for the Arabica, the beans, it's bigger, the size of the plant, it's smaller, the leaf is smaller, but the taste it's more or less than the, because the size of the bean is smaller, and so on one everyone's that work here, yeah, we still live in the same village together with the owner. So we still have a relation family between each other. Like me, I have relation with my owners here from my great grandparents.
That's
good.
They're also like in tons in India.
Yeah.
Basically every neighborhood has it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Grow them at home is just for decoration.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Guys, अब पूरा फार्म देखने के बाद हम खाएंगे ऑथेंटिक बाली cuisine. आओ तो मैं दिखाती हूँ. Guys are cooking. यहाँ पे कुकिंग क्लास भी चल रही है, तो इनके पास काफ़ी यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं. हमारी एक्टिविटी है खाना खाना, तो हम यहाँ पे खाना खाएंगे.
Wow.
This is Balinese chicken curry.
Yeah.
गाइस, ये जो साथ में कुकिंग क्लास हो रही है ये भी काफ़ी बढ़िया लग रही है मुझे. ये लोग काफ़ी खुशी से खाना बना रहे हैं. Whatever you mean.
Sweet and sour tempeh.
Hi, welcome to my house.
Thank you for having us.
So inside it's not only one family live, so it's a lot of families like that. Like inside, we live with 4 families. Okay, so 3 of them are my uncles, and then the other one is my father. Like
Is that Ganesh ji?
yes, Ganesh.
Yeah.
Ganesh, Vishnu, Shiva, it's the same.
Nice.
Okay, so it's like welcoming the guests and also protecting the family like that. Yes. And also here is our family temple. So every family compound in Bali, we have like a lot of small temples in Bali like that. Similar the gate. It's my house. This is how the Balinese compound and Balinese houses look like. Have anyone been to someone's house when you are in Bali?
No.
So like I told you before, so it's built separate, yeah. So that's just for the rooms, sleeping rooms, and then kitchen, living rooms, and for the toilet, it's built at the back. Always. Make sure on your where you stand there is no ants, yeah. And for the fireflies, I will show you later.
What's that?
Eel, but it's gone. Here, guys. Can you please turn the light on? Maybe one of your flashlight. Okay, so here we got the luciferin, the white part, like the triangle and the square here. That is the luciferin. So if the firefly don't have this, they can't light. I mean, they can't get light very bright like this. Okay, that is luciferin. And then the fireflies, it looks like this. Fireflies, it's similar like ladybugs. It's still family with ladybugs, with 6 legs, yeah, with 2 antennas, head, windshield, yeah, 2 wings.
Doesn't move.
There's an ant on my finger.
Welcome to my room tour. Although I'm very late and it's night, but मैंने सोचा दिखाई देती हूँ. This is Mira Guest House in Ubud. Start with the bathroom. The bathroom seems to be very sweet and cozy and open. It seems nice. I like it. Then comes the room, which also seems very sweet and cozy and very welcoming. Enjoy the luxury. And मेरे room के बाहर एक बहुत beautiful garden है. गाइस, इंडिया पहुंच गए हैं. काफ़ी लंबा सफ़र था. अब घर जाके सोएंगे. आशा करती हूँ को पूरा ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा। ओके बाय।